How to use MaintainX. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use MaintainX. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on MaintainX, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is MaintainX, it is a cloud-based maintenance and operations management platform designed to help organizations streamline work order management, preventive maintenance, and asset tracking. It enables teams to create, assign, and monitor maintenance tasks in real time through a mobile-first interface, improving the communication between technicians, managers, and operations staff. Now, MaintainX supports preventive and predictive maintenance by allowing users to schedule recurring tasks, track asset histories, and analyze performance data to reduce downtime and extend equipment life. So from here, to create an account, you can click the sign up button, or you can simply enter here your name, your working email address, and your phone number. And after that, just choose the right plan for you. However, since I'm not be able to sign in, I'm just going to explore here the overview, including this, how you can start booking a tour. All you need to do is to simply fill out the required information, and that also include your first name, your last name, your working email, phone number, and many more. Now moving on from here, if you scroll down, it will show you some other options, and that includes under this MaintainX, these work orders. This basically what the overview looks like in here on this video. So from here, this work orders, this is used to create, assign, track, and manage maintenance tasks efficiently. So as you can see right here, also the calendar section that we can navigate right here. While on the website panel, we also have here a variety of options to choose from, and we can add more work order right here. Now, the purpose of this is to simply centralize all maintenance requests and corrective actions in one system, allowing teams to clearly define the problem, required actions, priority level, and deadlines. And work orders also improve coordination by notifying technicians in real time, capturing photos, notes, and checklists, and recording labor time and parts use. Now, this helps to reduce downtime and ensure accountability, maintain accurate maintenance records, and provide data for analyzing recurring issues. Moving on, aside from that, we could also navigate here this preventative maintenance. It is designed to help organizations proactively maintain equipment by scheduling the recurring maintenance task before failures occur. Its purpose is to simply reduce unexpected downtime, extend the asset lifespan, and lower repair costs by ensuring inspection, servicing, and the replacement are completed on time. And also, this option allows teams to automate work order creation based on time or usage intervals, standardize maintenance procedures through checklists, track asset maintenance history, and monitor the performance trends. And basically, by simply using preventive maintenance in MaintainX, businesses can simply improve equipment reliability, enhance workplace safety, and maintain the consistent operational efficiency. So this is basically how you can start making it on the application once you start installing it on your phone. Moving on under the reporting section right here on MaintainX, it is designed to help organizations gain clear visibility into maintenance performance, asset reliability, and operational efficiency. So you should share some of the data in here. And also, it will allow managers to analyze data such as work order, completion rates, downtime trends, preventive maintenance compliance, labor hours, and asset costs, enabling informed, data-driven decision. And this is basically what it looks like on your dashboard. And by clicking learn more right here, you should see here some of the options also that you need to remember upon navigating the reporting section. And by converting maintenance activities into structured reports and visual insight, the reporting feature helps identify recurring issues, optimize maintenance schedules, improve resource allocation, support compliance and audits, and demonstrate the impact of maintenance efforts on overall business performance. Moving on, you could also navigate here this asset management, in which it is designed to help organizations track, organize, and optimize their physical asset through their entire life cycle. And the purpose of this is to simply provide a centralized record of each asset, including specification locations, maintenance history, and associated work orders, allowing teams to quickly access accurate information when performing repairs or inspections. By linking the asset to preventative maintenance schedule, the performance data helps to reduce unplanned downtime, extend equipment lifespan, and improve maintenance planning. And now aside from that, you could also navigate here under the MaintainX, this option that called the checklist and inspections, in which it is designed to help teams standardize and enforce safety, quality, and operational procedures through digital forms that guide users step by step and record results in a structured way. It lets you build customizable checklists and inspection templates that can be attached to work orders or used independently so that the routine tasks such as safety walkarounds, equipment inspections, housekeeping rounds, and regulatory audits are carried out consistently every time. And also, when inspection items use specific inspection check fields, the system can prompt corrective action automatically if something fails or is flagged, helping ensures issues are tracked and resolved instead of just noted. And also, all completed tasks or checklists are digitally time-spanned and recorded. Moving on under this part's inventory, it is to help design organization efficiently track, manage, and control spare parts and materials used in maintenance operations. So from here on the video, it will show you how you can start navigating your amount of inventory on your app, in which the purpose of this is to ensure that the right parts are available at the right time by providing real-time visibility into stocks, levels, usage history, and reorder points. And also, this kind of feature helps to reduce equipment downtime caused by missing parts, prevents overstocking and unnecessary costs, and support better planning by linking parts directly to assets and work orders. Now, aside from those options, you could also navigate some of the resources to know more about MaintainX, and that includes the Resource Center, ROI Calculator, case studies, webinars, Learning Center, and many more. And that will help you, or the purpose of this is to help teams assign the right technicians to the right task, track availability in the workload, and ensure that required tools or equipment are accessible when needed. While under this industry section, it will show you some other manufacturing and other kind of industries, retail, educational, and schools, and many more, in which it helps organizations apply industry-relevant best practices, templates, and features that align with their operational requirements, regulatory standards, and asset types. While under the product section on the top panel, it serves as a centralized hub for managing all the items, materials, or assets that an organization uses in its maintenance and operational processes. And also that includes the asset management, parts inventory management, and the other option that has been discussed earlier. We also have here enterprise asset management, AI-powered maintenance that support efficient maintenance workflows. Now moving on for the pricing plan that they offer, here are the basic, essential, premium, and enterprise plan with its corresponding benefits and pricing amount in here, as you can see. And that depends on your needs of your organization to choose here. So from here, depending on your needs, just simply click the get started button or try for free if you want to try the pre-plan. But on my part, I'm not be able to create an account. But if you already create your own, that is basically how you can start using the MaintainX. Thank you.